Oh yeah.
So I have my slow cooker here. I'm going to start out by pouring in some freshly cut sliced apples that have already been peeled. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to sprinkle that on top of there. Then I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then I'm just going to mix this up a bit just to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Let's go ahead and add like a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to add some cake mix on top of our apples. This is vanilla cake mix, but you can also use yellow cake mix as well. And the brand that I'm using today is Simple Mills. It is gluten-free. Using cake mix is kind of the lazy way to make this recipe. The next time I make this, I will do it from scratch just so you can have that option. This last step is optional. I'm going to add in some granola. As you can see, this is gluten-free. This will just give the pie some crunch. I particularly don't like mushy desserts. That's just me though. So if you're not using granola, you're just using cake mix, just add the butter on top of the cake mix.
One eternity later.
And we are all done. See you next time, guys. Bye.